Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your coach, friend, and mentor, Scotty Hobbs. I just got done with Body Beast bulk chest, and I'm feeling absolutely incredible. As you guys know, we traveled with our 5 kids to Taiwan. Thanks for all the hard work and effort that we put in over these past years. We've been able to take our business, go into Taiwan with our kids, explore, have a great time, and I was still able to wake up early and continue crushing my business. I did, however, miss my own bed and my own home gym where I had my weights so I could really dive into doing my Body Beast workouts. So I want to let you guys know I'm on track. I'm working hard on my own health and fitness. I feel better than I ever have before. And I have an invitation for you guys. I don't want you to wait until New Year's Day. Now, I don't care if you buy a package from me and get your year access to your workouts and your meal plans in Shakeology or the pre-workout and the post-workout. If that time is not yet, I'm okay with that. But you have to stop procrastinating. You have to stop saying, I'm gonna do it after Christmas. I'm gonna do it after the new year. I'm gonna do it after the holidays. And you have to make a habit of not procrastinating. So if you have BOD or you have some DVDs on your shelf, dust them off, put it in the DVD player, and push play on that workout and stop procrastinating, because your life is short. So I'm gonna challenge you to give the very best you can every single day. I'm gonna make this super quick, but this video is mostly a shout out to 2 coaches on our team so far. Well, I'm gonna shout out 4. First, we have Elisa Galeos. This is her book. It just came out, called Made for Brave. Elisa Galeos. So you can check that out. An incredible story that she wrote, a true story. She lost her husband to cancer and has gone on to really be able to share her story, and she's creating an incredible life. On top of that, Elisa is or has achieved with her team Made for Brave. Can't see that. Her team Made for Brave has officially qualified for Elite this year. So shout out to Elisa and her team. Here's the other incredible news that I'm super excited to share. Her sister, Kinsley, has also qualified for Elite with her team this year in 2019. So they're both Elisa and her sister Kinsley are officially Elite 2020 teams. I also want to shout out Beth Isbell. Her and I have been accountability partners this year. She has officially locked in Premier with her team, and our team Dynasty Strong has officially also locked in Premier so far, with a couple weeks left to go in this year. So we're absolutely crushing. We're having an incredible time. We're staying more healthy, more fit than we've ever been before, and we're helping more people, and that's what truly matters most. We're super excited. I'm gonna give another shout out because I'm just super excited about this. As you guys know, we were able to coach, not just me as his personal coach, but our team to cheer on Chris Pandolfo to win the Beachbody Challenge in 2019. He won the $100,000 grand prize. He's now building an incredible business, but aside from that, he's coaching what he claims to be the next Beachbody Challenge winner, whose name is Scott. And Scott is down, I believe, 60 pounds, as I last saw last week, and well on his way to following in Chris's footsteps. Guys, we are doing what matters. We're impacting people's lives. We're helping end the trend of obesity. We're empowering others to continually develop into their fullest potential, and we're creating the most sustainable and reliable source of income from home. And I want to just give this invite to you to watch our videos. Follow me on Instagram, watch our stories, watch my wife go through her workouts, watch me go through my workouts, and see how we build this business in the pockets of time throughout the day. Guys, I consider myself a full-time dad and husband and a part-time coach. Today, for example, I built my business while sitting in my truck spotting with my spotting scope mule deer on an archery hunt. Like, you can build this business in the little pockets of time that you have throughout the day. And if you're curious on how that works, just send me an email or respond to one of these videos, and I will talk to you. I'll share with you a video. I'll get on the phone with you. I'll answer your questions via DMs. Whatever it is that you need to fully understand how this can impact and benefit your life and how you can use your gifts and talents, feel free to ask me and I'll help guide and direct you there, because we are only just getting started. We'll see you guys later.